Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install UTM software on your Mac computer so that you can install the virtual computer on your Mac computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to open a browser. I'm going to use web browser, but it's fine if you use some other browser also. Now you have to start typing UTM, then hit return key of your keyboard. You will see there are a couple of links will be here based on the UTM, and we are going to access this link mac.getutm.app. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will open like this. This is the official website for UTM. To download it, we have to click here, but you can also download from Mac App Store also. But the problem is, if you download from there, you have to pay some fee. Let me show you. So if we click here, it is going to show us that it cost $9.99. That is almost $10. Okay, if you try to download and install from there, but if you download from here, it is completely free. You don't need to pay any money, and both of the software, they are same and have all the feature whatever they have. So I'm going to click here because I don't want to pay any single penny for this software. I'm going to click here, download, and very shortly it will ask us to start download location. So I'm going to download it to the downloads folder, and I'm going to press save button. Once we finish downloading, then we'll see the utm.dmg file is under downloads location. I'm going to install it by double clicking on top of it, and very shortly it will open this type of window. Here there is a arrow button, that means we need to drag and drop it inside the application folder. So I'm going to click here and dragging and dropping to the application, and very shortly it will start copying the required files from here to there, and it will be installed. Now we can close it, and also we can remove this thing because we don't need it anymore. I'm going to close this thing. Now let's test the software whether it is installed properly or not. I'm going to open the Spotlight search by holding command key and spacebar key all together, and start typing UTM, and then if the UTM software is installed successfully, then we'll see the related search is there. I'm going to click this UTM app, and very shortly it will start opening the UTM application. If we try to open the UTM software for the first time, then we'll get this type of warning. UTM.app is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? We need to press this open button to open the application. This is not a virus. This is the common process to start the UTM software for the first time. And then here it is showing like what's new of this software. We can click continue button, and then it will be like this. So that's it, guys. Now we can add our virtual machine over here. That's it, guys. In this way we can easily download and install UTM software on our Mac computer. Thanks again for watching the video.